Alright, so in this video, we're going to be bringing out 10 facts debunking the trading bot myth. Okay, for all the trading bot lovers out there, sorry, this one's going to sting a little bit. Okay, let's jump right into it. Fact number one, if bots worked, brokers wouldn't allow them. That's kind of self-explanatory. They're there to make money, manipulate the market, and not there to allow you to come set up your little EA and to just wipe the whole entire planet clean. Fact number two, Wall Street would have fired all of its traders a long time ago, and all of Wall Street would be trading completely on robots. And we know that that's not the case, because that would mean that they couldn't lose either. Okay. Fact number three, every trader on earth would be rich, including those that I just talked about on Wall Street, as well as all the retail traders out there. Okay. Fact number four, there'd be no Uber drivers left. I almost want to add in there'd probably be no dope dealers either, because they could just buy a bot and they wouldn't have to sell dope anymore, but they would still be able to sell dope and do both because people need their dope, plus they can double down and make even more money. Okay. Fact number five, nobody would need to sell their bots. All the retail traders and investors would be out buying the bots, so it'd be the other way around. Okay, you just go and do your shopping online and see what bot works better. It'd be like more of a sporting competition. You see the bots competing against each other. You see tickers symbols. It'd be on ESPN, this bot versus that bot. Okay, that's how extreme that would be if these bots actually worked, any of them. Okay. Fact number six, a winning bot would cost as much as a house, not $200. It'd be basically your second or third most expensive item that you own. I think your house would probably be first. Your bot would probably be second, and then your car would be third. Probably be your second most expensive item that you own. Okay. Number seven, poverty and unemployment would disappear overnight. You could also eliminate welfare, because you could take all the people on welfare, attach their name to a trading bot, the government could put some money in it and just let that thing go, and now you've solved unemployment and probably poverty too. Okay, poverty and unemployment both gone. Okay. Fact number eight, markets change, the bots can't. The bots are built statically by the set of rules, if then statements and things like that. That's how they're coded. Okay, so the markets change. You have major events like a presidential assassination, or the president just decides to charge every country in the world 50% plus on the price of a product to access the US market. Or who the heck knows, World War III could break out overnight. We don't know. Your bot, nobody's bot's going to react to that. Okay. Fact number nine, the markets kill anything predictable, even like what you see on the screen. Okay. Typically, traders are looking at, this is NZD said, Jeff. Okay. Typically, this looks like could be a structure-based opportunity with some type of support. And even if I were to keep going, even though it gets weaker and weaker, that's kind of telling you. But traders and bots might want to try to take a long opportunity here, and I'm here to tell you that has very low improbability for happening. Okay, so the market kills anything predictable. That's not going to fly. You're gonna have to wait for something else. I'm not going to even talk about the real actual pattern that's there. And number 10, last but not least, bots are human made. Okay, and humans are flawed. So that means one of the reasons that these bots don't work is because they're filled with human flaw and human bias and computing errors and things of that sort. And that's why it's not like there are people and companies out here just building these perfect AIs and that's just the way the world worked. Because again, if that's how the world worked, every single one of us would be using a trading bot. Nobody would be manual, and we'd all be filthy rich. So that's all we got on this one. Like this video if you found it entertainment, or if it brought some insight to you. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when videos like this come out. Last but not least, head on over to the Harmonic Trading Academy playlist inside the Harmonic Trading Club, where we teach everything pertaining to structural analysis, advanced pattern recognition, and basically end-to-end trading, so you don't have to worry about trying to revert to a trading bot, where something that you can actually dominate the market as long as you really understand how the market works. That being said, you guys be good, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, just wanted to add this last little part to the video. I said, and you can see it pointed out, that that wasn't going to happen, that trying to get long there was a trap. So I want to end it at that. Now, with that part being said, I'll talk about what may be possible, and that might not even be possible. And that is going to come in the form of this guy right here. I'm going to clear things up. I'm going to take our Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm going to start from the low here. I'm going to come to the high. Okay, it is a 382 retracement. Okay, from the low to the high, that's 382. Doesn't really matter what happens to the top as long as we don't exceed the tops here. Okay, so XA, as long as we don't exceed A, we're good. And then what you'd be looking for is a 127 extension to the downside, and there could be a little bit more room needed. So let's go high to low. Okay, I'm sorry, I said extension. Inversion is what I meant. And guess where we are? We're coming through, even through that 127. I'm gonna bring in another zone so we can just keep it tight for Fibonacci, and who the hell knows? I need to go back and see what that event was. But I will say this, okay? I will say this, and we're gonna wrap this up. At some point, there's gonna be a reversal off of this. So this, I wouldn't even call that an elephant candle. That's something else. I wouldn't even call that an engulfing candle. Whenever this is over, I don't know. What you will be looking for is a doji candle and a candle closing after it. So keep your eyes open for that. There's no telling if that will happen, but I really wanted to edify on where we were in the video when I alluded to people thinking that there was structure in that area, and I said it would not happen. Yes, I will admit that whatever happened, this is fundamentally related. This is a fundamental, but either way, I'm still right on that, and no robot was going to pick that devastating loss up. That being said, we're out of here.